Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to look into use case where we are going to use calculate table and summarize DAX functions as filters. Let me quickly walk through what the actual problem we're going to solve and then how these functions help us to get the final result. Let's look at Power BI file. So here in this file, I have a table with the raw data, what I called it. So there's an invoice number and then there's a sales amount. And as you can see, in the invoice number has three sales line items or three line items with three different sales. And one of the line item has a promo code 444. Doesn't matter what the promo code is. Similarly, invoice number 2 does not have a promo code, 3 does not, and 4 again has multiple line items, but one of the line item has the sales. Now the question here we want to answer is, I want to sum the invoices or the sum of sales of those invoices where any of the line item has promo code. So in this our example, the one invoice number 1 is candidate for that because it meets the result, the condition that line number 3 has a promo code. None of these, invoice number 4 has a promo code, and then 7 and 9 has promo code and others does not. So we want to sum these invoices. Does not matter where in the line item it has a promo code, as far as it has a promo code, and we want to have the sum of those invoices. So let's look at the DAX functions, as I said, calculate table and summarize, how these two functions help us to achieve the result. So let's start writing our DAX measure here. Let's first start with a calculate table option. To solve this, what we need to do is to find out the invoice number that contains the promo code. So once we know what those invoice numbers are, then we can filter our data set on that, our table on those invoice numbers. So what we can do here is, first we need to find out, as I said, the invoices which contains a promo code. So it's very simple. So what we can do is table of invoices with promo code. So what that would be with calculate table, it is so easy that what we need is all the invoice numbers, which is simply values of invoice number from our table, where note is blank, promo code. So if we just do the count rows on this table which we just created and put it on a KPI and see what we get. So let's minimize this, and we called it promo code sales option 1. So we expect to see 4. So why we are seeing 4? Invoice number 1, invoice number 4, invoice number 7, and invoice number 9. If we really want to see what invoices are involved in, what invoices are returned in this option, so we can concatenate X, and then we can have our table and then invoice number and separate by comma. So this will give us all the invoice numbers here, 1479. So it means we are getting those invoices. Now from here it is pretty straightforward. What we can do is calculate sum of sales, which is sales, and then use our table as a filter. So that table contains 1479. So let's visualize the data here. And then instead of using this, we use our measure, which is promo code with sales 1. Let's minimize this. So now as you can see with what we got here is invoice number 1, $608, 4, 3, 407, 7, 6, and this is working. So this is working as expected. And now look at the option number 2 using summarize, how we will do with that. So let's go with option number 2. That's called promo code sales option 2. So same again we're going to table of invoices with promo. Instead of using calculate table, we can use summarize, and then we go what we need to summarize. We need to summarize our table 1. First we need to filter our table 1 where same note is blank promo code, and then once we have this table, then we need to, now it will return all the rows with no promo code, and then we will group it by invoice number. So if we do this, so this will, let's go back again, similar thing we do, table of invoice with promo, just an account. We see what the account we get here, sorry, the promo, and let's put it on a KPI now, this card. Option number 2, again we will get the 4 rows, similar thing. From here onward it's the same. We have sum of sales, and then we have table of invoices with promo. All right, so if we use now the second measure again in the visualization, so yeah, again 6, so as we can see the result of the both these option 1 and option 2 is same, 347, 3407, 647, and total is 8433. I hope this video helps for you to see how you can use calculate table or using summarize, get the invoice numbers what you're looking for in this particular case, and then use that table which we created as a filter for our measure, which finally gave us the result of all the invoices which any of the line item of the invoice contains a promo code. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your feedback or comments. Until next video, have a good day. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. Thank you.